Hi everybody, and in this episode, I will cover the everything how to learn from everything and everyone. Now, if you think about that, so have you ever heard the saying someone that you either been or learn? Most of the successful people and many peoples they always try to read books. Why? The importance of reading books, it's a continuous process of our life, to reading books, to getting more and more knowledge, as well as getting more information. Are the popular, you have to have fail forward. I'm sure to understand the situation good and had learning experience, but that are easier said than done, right? How to learn from success. Now there is a lot of successful people in the society, which in the history, in the our books and in the newspaper, in the everywhere in the articles, we can learn from successful and from their success to us, that what are the successful people done, what is the right and wrong thing they have done, and the copy and follow them to becoming more learning process for them. If I have noticed, when people the phrase you got the forget the past, they are always taking about negative stuff. People like to forget losses and member wins, but there are the reason for doing opposite at least sometime. So you can learn from success. Now you think how to learn from failure. Actually, failure is not a failure, but failure is the part of the success. If you are doing something and you got fail in that business, in that startup, in that process, if you got failure in that situation, you are nothing losing, but whether you are gaining some knowledge and experience. The one more important thing there is that experience, getting more experience. As much as experience you have, that much you are going to bettering yourself. And bettering yourself, there is my book called investment in yourself, how to be invest in yourself, how to improve yourself. You can check out and buy that book from the amazon.in, Amazon India. And that is the very good book which I have written about how to can invest yourself, and that is the best investment in your life. So about this, you can learn from the failures, and failures are always giving much learning compared to the you learn from the books and you learn from the practical. You doesn't, if you have done something and you got losses, you have a failures in that situation, at that moment of the time you realize all the concept how I got much of the I got forget, I got failure, and there is a lot of lessons you learn from there. And now the episode is that how to learn from the other people. So you can learn from other people to watching them, how they are talking, how they are behaving with other people, how they are sitting, how the lifestyle they are living, how they communicate. And each and every process, if you look, if you are with focus, you look out there, and to understand everything, each and every aspect of that, you understand to how to learn from the other peoples. And don't miss the lesson in the life, that if you are busy making excuses, that is not going to work out. Always try to become watcher to every people, anything. If you look, you see, and if there is a idiot, and you see that idiot, and after seeing that, you learn something from that. What you learn? You learn that I am not going to maybe this. So you, if you look everyone and everything and learn from there, that is the best skills you can achieve. So this is the best way to learn from each and everybody, each and everything.